This is how you set up new data infrastructure in 10 minutes with Aiven. Start by clicking Create a new service. Select your open source service, in this case, Postgres. Next, choose the public cloud where you want to deploy it, and the region that works best for you. Now you need to pick the plan that suits your workload. Pricing is all-inclusive, so all network and backup storage costs are already covered. Finally, give the setup a name and click Create Service. Just like that, you've stood up fully managed Postgres. Try spinning up your own database with our free 30-day trial. Aiven, your data cloud.